welcome to Homeschooling with Heart. My name is Steph. Thank you very much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. If you are new here, welcome and thank you. Thank you for joining me. I am a homeschooling grandmother, and he calls me Mimi, so Homeschooling Mimi. And today I would talk about him. I love talking about him. He's my grandbaby, so of course I love talking about him. But today I am sharing something with you, something that I have done, something that I have done for myself, which I usually don't do. I usually don't buy things for myself. I usually don't do, even when I get a gift card, I usually spend it on somebody else. It's like, I don't know why, I just do. But this I bought. Now, I bought it on the buy and sell group from Sunlight. And as you saw from the title, it is Core 300, 20th century literature and 20th century history. And I am so excited to have this I will be, have this in my hands. I have unboxed the IGs, the instructor guides. If you're not familiar with them, I have unboxed the IGs and I have unboxed the spine. I thought, you know what, I'm just going to turn on the camera and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully all the books are here, because if not, you're going to see the ticked off Mimi face that Remy says, he doesn't like to see. But if all the books are here, you're going to see this grin become bigger, if that's even possible. I am sharing my excitement with you because I know that you understand why I'm so excited. My friends that don't homeschool, they're just like, okay, Steph, it's some books. Oh, I'm sorry. No, it's not just some books. This is like a whole Sunlight core, y'all. I mean, and they don't get it, but I know you will. You understand that this is just an exciting day for me. I wanted to share it with you. So I have been trying to figure out the best way to unbox this. I have a lot of stuff in front of me. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of things first. Now, this one is Heart to Heart, and this is New Poems in American Art. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to contain myself. This is the 20th century literature portion of Core 300, and they call this level 330. So we have Heart to Heart, New Poems and American Art. We also have, to go with this in literature, okay, here we go. We have, it's going to take me till Remy's in high school to read all these, y'all. But, I think it's worth it. I really do. We have The Tempest, Shakespeare, Walk, Two Moons. We have Alas, Babylon, Hope Was Here, The Great Gilly Hopkins, The Moves Make the Man, The Great Gatsby, Parallel Journeys, The Wednesday Wars, My Father's Daughter, Heart of Darkness, Cry, The Beloved Country, The Old Man and the Sea, Ernest Hemingway, The Great Brain. There's a lot of books, y'all. I'm serious when I tell you. It'll probably take me till he's in high school to finish these. Robert Frost's poems. I'll give y'all an update too on how all this is going. Children of the River, Murder on the Orient Express, Metamorphosis, The Wave, The Contender, The Snow Goose, Brave New World. Now that is it for the literature portion. Now let's get to the Bible, what they have for Bible. For Bible, they have Know What You Believe, Know Why You Believe, and Mere Christianity, C.S. Lewis. And then they had this packed in there, so I'm assuming that this is something that maybe came with an earlier core. And I think I will take kind of a look at this. I've never heard of this before. Of course, you know, I'm new again to renewing my faith. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, so this is Walk Through the Bible, NIV, and this is 26 weeks of daily devotions. And this is geared towards teens with the topics that it looks like it's covering. Again, it's called Your Walk. I'm guessing at some point this was included in the Bible portion. But again, you know, I'll find out when I go through the IGs. Okay, so now let's go through the history portion. It's level 320. And I believe that you can customize a little bit more when you get to high school. So this is going to be 20th century world history. Let's check out the books that have come with that. We have All Quiet on the Western Front, The Road from Home, The Green Glass Sea, First They Killed My Father, You Want Women to Vote, Lizzie Stanton, and God Spoke Tibetan, Labor's Untold Story, After the War, Red Scarf Girl, When Hitler Stole Pink Rabbit, Living on the Devil's Doorstep, There's a Sheep in My Bathtub, Winston Churchill, How to Ruin Your Life by 30 or 40 or 50, I guess. China's Long March, 6,000 Miles of Danger, Albert Einstein and the Theory of Relativity, The Hiding Place. We have World War I and the rest of the story and how it affects you today. Ernest Hemingway, For Whom the Bell Tolls. 7 Men Who Rule the World from the Grave. My Life in Advertising and Scientific Advertising. And Robert Frost, Selected Poems. There is one that is missing, but she told me it was missing. It is called Made You Look. I have that one on order. So, yeah, quite a few books. And like I said, it's probably going to take me until Remy is in high school to read those. But yeah, I'm excited. If you are, baffled by me buying a core, let me know. Let me know your thoughts, your opinion on what you think about me as an adult buying this, this core. And while you're leaving that comment, if you will hit that like button for me, that lets YouTube land know that somebody out there likes our content and they push our videos to others who may enjoy this content as well. We would love for you to subscribe and go on this journey with us because it can get a little bit crazy, as you can see, as you're watching right now unfold before your eyes. All right, so here is one of the spines that came with an IG. It's called Our Century in Pictures. And I'll show you a little bit of that. And then the next one we have, these are heavy, is The History of the Modern World from 1900 to present day. And I will show you some video of that. And then this one, I didn't even know existed. And I don't know how long this was the spine. From what I understand, it wasn't the spine for very long, only a couple of years. So I'm very excited about this book. This is 100 Years of News from January 1, 1900 to December 31, 1999. And it is made by DK. And oh my goodness, it is heavy. Let me show you a little bit of the inside of this one. All right, thank you so very much in sharing in my excitement with me. I am just on cloud nine. One book that is missing, which I already knew was missing, was the Made You Look, and I have that one coming in, so it will kind of make the set complete. A lot of books, and those spines are just awesome. I really am going to enjoy having those, especially the DK with, well, it's DK, so of course, you know, DK. But yeah, especially with DK, the way it's laid out with the newspaper articles, I think that's really cool. Life is another one that is just near and dear to my heart. That's what I saw, you know, in my parents' home when I was younger, laying around the house, you know, and my mom, you know, she just couldn't wait to get the next issue of Life magazine. That one is really near and dear to my heart. I know that you can appreciate what this moment means. Thank you for sharing this moment with me today. I really do appreciate that you have watched, and if you have watched this far, thank you very much. And y'all mean the world to us. You really do. And I really did just want to share this moment with you. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always comment down at the bottom, send an email. You can find me over on Instagram. If you would like to go on this journey with us, we would love to have you. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. If you liked any part of this video, we would love for you to give us a thumbs up. And again, that does let YouTube know that somebody out there likes our content. And until we meet again, be good to each other. Bye-bye.